For me, customization really allows our clients to pick something that's going to actually fit within their home and their lifestyle. It's about working to how they move in the room, functionality, ergonomics. It's about comfort as well. Having the accessibility to work with the designs that the clients really love and then just tweaking them to fit their place. That's the world of these luxury brands. It's not about only a single piece, although a single piece on its own is just as beautiful. It's about how to encompass your life and your environment and in what you really just dreamed about and what every client of mine dreams about. And that's why we do it. It's seeing their dream come to reality, and that's what makes it worth it.
And I think in any interior, the key is just finding what you love and amplifying it more with the brands. I always tell my clients, let's dress the home the way we would dress ourselves. So we start with a base and we beautify it with all of these accents of accessories, lighting, all luxury furniture. The brands talk to each other in such a unique sense when you're blending all of them in an interior. They all have a similar harmony and they all can contrast at the same time. That really brings the place together.
Italian design is about passion, most of everything. Passion that goes from every side of the construction, the realization of each piece of furniture. The brand can work together perfectly. For me, it's a matter of shape, finishes, and details. It's important to understand that it's not just a collection that works with itself. The cooperation between different pieces, it's a matter of synergy. And this synergy improves the value of every project. They have a story, and this is a story that has been run since the beginning of time and brought to a shape, form, a type of material, a type of detail that bring all this knowledge, this great value inside the house of our clients. Our mission is to let them know this. We, as Palazzo Collezioni, are just carriers of this knowledge, and we want the client to understand that behind everything they see, there's much, much more.